Heat Pump Repair Services by AC Pros in Mohave County, AZ. When your heat pump system fails, you need a reliable HVAC service provider to restore your comfort swiftly and efficiently. Welcome to AC Pros, your trusted partner for professional heat pump repair services in Mohave County, Arizona. Heat pumps are complex systems that require the right expertise for accurate diagnosis and repair. At AC Pros, we pride ourselves on having some of the most knowledgeable and well-trained technicians in the industry. Our team takes a year-long course focused solely on heat pump operation and design, in addition to their regular schooling and ongoing training seminars. Unlike some service providers who resort to part changing, we believe in diagnosing issues correctly and fixing them right the first time. This approach not only saves you time, but also reduces unnecessary costs. We understand that heat pump failures can occur at the most inconvenient times. That's why we have technicians on call around the clock, ready to deliver prompt and effective heat pump repair services when you need them. If you're searching for heat pump repair near me, rest assured, you've come to the right place. Our commitment to providing superior heat pump repair services has earned us the reputation of being the best heat pump repair company in Mohave County. We strive to live up to this distinction with every customer interaction. Whether you need emergency heat pump repair or routine maintenance, don't hesitate to reach out to AC Pros. We're always happy to assist with any HVAC service you require. Contact us today at 9287531587 or drop us an email at azacpros@gmail.com for all your heat pump repair needs. Trust AC Pros to keep your heat pump system running at peak efficiency all year round.